Well, hello there. My name is Rick, and today I will be taking you through how to change out the reference solution for the D-phi Series pH and ORP sensors. This is a very straightforward procedure that will only take about 60 seconds or so once you get the hang of it. Obviously, for supplies, you will need the D-phi Series sensor. Also need the D-phi Series reference kits, which come with the sensor, but are also available for purchase online. Lastly, you'll need RODI water to put into the reference kits. With that, let's get started. Please skip to step 5 if a reference refill bottle has already been filled with water. Start by opening the reference kit and pulling out a reference refill bottle along with the funnel. Now, take off the rubber stopper, then remove the cap by unscrewing it. Place the funnel in, then start pouring the RODI water until it reaches the top of the label. We recommend tilting it slightly and pouring slowly because otherwise the surface tension can prevent the water from flowing through the narrow mouth of the funnel. Put the cap back on. Put the stopper back on. And then shake for 30 to 60 seconds, letting the powder dissolve. You will feel a slight heating occur. This is an exothermic reaction with the powder that will go away shortly and is completely normal. Check underneath to see if there's any remaining powder. I do not see any, so that is ready to go. There is now enough solution in this reference refill bottle for 4 refills. Grab a container to pour the reference solution into. Now, remove the cap. Then dump it into your container here. After dumping out the reference solution, check the reference chamber to see if there's any debris or bacterial growth that needs to be cleaned out. If so, then simply rinse it out, or you can use soap with a soft bristled brush, like this toothbrush we have around. If you do use soap, be sure to thoroughly rinse the chamber before adding new reference solution. Once the reference chamber is thoroughly cleaned, then go ahead and unstopper the reference refill bottle and squirt the liquid into the reference chamber until it is right at the top of the chamber. Now go ahead and screw the reference cap on. You will see some of the reference solution squeeze through the pointed tip of the junction in the reference cap. This indicates the sensor was filled sufficiently. The sensor is now ready for use, so go ahead, calibrate it, and then put it back to work. The reference refill bottle now has up to 3 remaining refills in it. Store the bottle in a refrigerator to prolong the life of the remaining solution. If a refrigerator is not available, then we recommend storing it in a cool, dry place away from sunlight.